idiot.
What were you doing tonight?
What's that?
What were you doing tonight?
I live right around the corner.
Yeah, but before this,
Well, I was at the whiskey at the...
how much were you drinking?
Not much. Just had a beer. I'm sorry I bumped into you. Can
Fine.
we let this go?
Sir, step out of your vehicle, please.
Yeah.
Look what you come here.
All right.
Look at this.
It's right here.
Yeah.
Plastic.
No, don't touch anything. I told you to look. Don't touch anything. The insurance company has to see this.
Okay.
I need your insurance, please.
Okay. Jesus, man. This is registration. Insurance.
Let me see. Progressive. Yeah, this is literally a nightmare for me, sir.
Why is this a nightmare for you? You drive a Tacoma. I bumped into the back of you.
You
Why
did.
is this a nightmare?
Because now I have to deal with this problem. You hit me, sir. Look at that.
Yeah.
Don't touch it.
You're being overactive here because there's no freaking problem. Everything works. I bumped into the back of you.
Look at your car.
Now you're going to make a big fucking deal.
Look at your car. Your
Yeah.
lights are not even
Yeah, 'cause
on.
your bumper.
Your lights are not even on. I don't get it.
I got my flashers on, for God's sake.
It's on. That's good. But your light should have been on.
You slammed on your brakes at the red light, and I slammed on my brakes, and I bumped into the back of you. Now you want to make a big fucking deal
I have a
about
camera right here. A camera right here. It's
this.
recording.
Big deal out of nothing. You're making a big deal out of nothing. Crazy. This is nuts. You... Oh! Fucking idiot.